In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for animation. First, open Milanote and create a new board. Give it a clear name like Animation Project or Explainer Video so you can find it easily later. Think of this board as your production hub, the single place where ideas, visuals, script, and feedback come together as your project evolves. Next, set up a simple left-to-right workflow. Create columns for ideas or concept, script, storyboard, assets or design, animation, edit and sound, and final output. This layout mirrors a typical animation pipeline so you can see at a glance where everything lives. Keep each column focused and use consistent titles so collaborators know exactly where to drop content. Start in the ideas or concept column, add notes to capture your story idea, the core message you want to communicate, and the overall style, whether that's 2D character animation, motion graphics, or a mix. This is where you define the tone and the goal before you invest time designing or animating. Move on to your script. Create a note for the narration or dialogue and break it into scenes or beats. Short, clear lines are easier to storyboard and animate. If you're unsure about pacing, read the script aloud and trim anything that doesn't move the story forward. With the script in place, build your storyboard. Add images or quick sketches for each scene. Under each frame, include the visual idea, any planned camera movement, and timing notes. These details guide your animation choices later and reduce guesswork once you're in production. Now organize your assets. Upload or link characters, backgrounds, icons, and audio or music files. Keeping everything in one place saves time and ensures the whole team uses the latest versions. You can group related items or label them by scene to stay tidy. Plan animation details inside cards. Note motion ideas like fades, slides, or bounces, specify scene transitions, and record the intended duration for each scene. These cues help you maintain consistency across shots and smoothly hand off work if multiple people are animating. Track progress by moving items across the workflow as they evolve, from script to storyboard to animation, and finally to final output. This simple motion becomes your visual checklist and makes status clear at a glance. Invite collaborators to the board to gather feedback. Share with clients or team members and collect comments directly on specific notes, frames, or assets so revisions are precise and easy to action. Finally, run a last review, add notes for any final tweaks, and export the board as a PDF for presentation or sign-off. With this setup, Milanote becomes a clear, collaborative space that takes your animation from concept to completion with confidence.